Yo, AutoAce fam! Riding in the Philippines means dealing with heat, rain, traffic, and rough roads, and that can cause some of the most common motorcycle problems we face every day. But don't worry, I'll share the top 5 issues plus easy solutions so you can stay on the road with no hassle. Many riders experience a weak battery, especially after leaving the bike unused for weeks or running too many accessories. Regularly start your bike at least every 2 to 3 days. Avoid overloading with extra lights or gadgets, and consider a portable trickle charger. Replace your battery every 2 to 3 years for peace of mind. Stuck in EDSA traffic under the sun? Overheating can happen, especially on liquid engines if coolant is low. Always check your coolant level. Avoid revving too hard in standstill traffic, and schedule a radiator flush every 2 years. For air-cooled bikes, give short breaks if the engine feels too hot. Your motorcycle suddenly consumes more fuel than usual. Clean your air filter every 3,000 to 5,000 kilometers. Make sure your tires are properly inflated and use high-quality fuel. A dirty filter or under-inflated tires can kill your fuel economy fast. Motorcycles sometimes won't start, or they stall after passing through puddles or heavy rain. Spray dielectric grease on spark plug caps and electrical connections to keep water out. Also, avoid riding through deep floods that can soak your intake or electronics. With rough PH roads and frequent rain, tires and brake pads wear out quicker. Bald tires and thin pads are dangerous. Check your tread depth. If it's less than 2 mm, replace your tires. For brake pads, inspect every oil change and replace if less than 3 mm. Always invest in quality tires and pads for safety. Quick recap. Battery care means longer life. Check coolant and airflow equals avoid overheating. Clean filters and inflate tires equals better fuel economy. Replace worn tires and pads equals ride safer. Motorcycle problems in the Philippines are common, but with simple checks and maintenance, you can prevent most of them. A little care goes a long way to keeping your bike suited and safe. AutoAce fam, what's the most common problem you've faced on your motorcycle? Drop it in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more motorcycle tips and guides. Ride safe, ride smart. Thanks for watching.